when we tell students that there is just 4 papers that you need to clear for US CPA, the question that we often get from the students is what is the most effective strategy out there to clear these papers in one go. Since the US CPA is of course a United States based qualification, there is a lot of different strategies that a lot of different people from different countries like to use. However, I've compiled a list of few crisp and short points that if you keep in mind, you will probably end up clearing the US CPA in one go. Hi guys, I'm Rushil. I'm a part of the academics team here at Zell Education, and we train candidates in various courses such as ACCA, CFA, CPA, CMA and Diploma in IFRS. Guys, before we dive into the exam tips, let us first understand what is the most ideal time frame that you should be looking at in order to clear the 4 US CPA examinations. So guys, the timeline that we end up recommending to most students is anywhere between 9 and 12 months depending on what your past experience and past qualifications are. For example, let's say you are a qualified chartered accountant. For you, it will probably take you anywhere between 8 and 12 months to clear the entire qualification. On the other hand, if you are a graduate who has just recently graduated, it might take you around 12 months. The most ideal time frame that you should be targeting is anywhere between 9 and 12 months, depending on what your most recent qualification is. Guys, if we talk about the 12-month time frame to target, the most important thing is before you start your examinations, you need to have your documentations and registration in place. If you try process on your own without any expert guidance, chances are that this process might probably take you longer than a duration of 3 months. However, if you get in touch with a university or an institute that trains candidates particularly for the US CPA course, you can end up getting your paperwork done in less than a month. This paperwork can happen while you study for your first paper. Guys, keep in mind that you cannot appear for the US CPA examinations until your evaluation is done, until your registration is done. We've made a separate video on the topic of registration for the US CPA course, which you can go and watch in case you need any help with. Guys, once your evaluation and registration is done, ideally you do it alongside preparing for your very first paper. The recommendation that we make to most of our students, however, this recommendation can differ depending on your past qualification, depending on your most recent qualification. However, the recommendation for most students is that you start with the business environment and concepts or the BEC exam. The reason for this is this particular topic covers a lot of things that you might have studied in your very recent past. Things like your financial management, things like information and technology, concepts of economics. These are the topics covered in the business environment and concepts paper. Guys, we've also seen that BEC paper has one of the highest pass rates compared to the other 4 papers. It is always good to get a confident start, clear an easy paper to begin with, and then you move on to the next paper, which can probably be regulation, which is your US federal law and taxation, or you can move on to financial accounting and reporting. However, one recommendation I can make here is ideally you choose financial accounting and reporting after your BEC paper. Financial accounting and reporting followed by BEC has the second highest pass rate when you compare it to the remaining 2 papers. For the last quarter, guys, the pass rate for BEC and FAR was in the 60s. The pass rate for regulation and audit was in the 50s and the higher echelons of 40. Guys, moving on, the next paper that you should ideally look at covering is regulation. And followed by regulation, the last paper you do is audit. Audit is one of the more difficult papers, and it is always recommended that you pursue audit once you've learned how to make accounts and how to read accounts, which you will do in the FAR paper, and once you understand taxation, which you will be covering in the REG paper. Guys, having said this, you are probably wondering what do we expect in the 4 US CPA examination? What does the curriculum look like? What are the important areas that we need to study in each of the 4 papers? So guys, we've covered this in a separate video that I would recommend you all watch, wherein we have explained the entire US CPA examination in detail, things you can expect, things to look out for, what are the areas in each subject that you need to put more time into, the things that you need to focus on. So definitely watch that as well. It will help you make up your mind in terms of the flow that you need to follow. Guys, another reason why we recommend you start with BEC and follow that up with the REG exam is these two exams have the highest pass rates. The minute you clear 2 papers, you are automatically a semi-qualified US CPA, meaning in the market, you can probably land up with a US CPA related job. Guys, once you get this job, you can get your 1 year's worth of work experience needed for the license out of the way, and the remaining 6 months can be done after completing your entire US CPA. Guys, this is not a mandatory route that you need to follow. However, this is a process that we recommend to all of our students. If you follow this particular route, you should probably done with your entire US CPA journey in a period of 18 months, clearing the exams in 12 months, getting licensed in the remaining 6 months. Guys, another key thing to keep in mind to clear your US CPA in one attempt is to use authorized or an approved study provider. Some examples of this is Becker, there's Wiley, there's Gleim, there's Hawk, there's all sorts of study materials out there in the market. However, the study material that we use here at Zell is Becker, obviously in conjunction with Orbit. Guys, the reason for using a verified or an authorized study material is number one, the quality of the content. Guys, this content has been authored by PhDs, by people who are CPAs themselves. They know exactly how to customize this content in a way that will, that will resonate with you when you're studying from it. Guys, in addition to this, ideally choose a study material that is quite concise in nature. If the same concept can be explained in 100 pages, ideally you don't want to be reading 250 pages about it. So choose a study material that is concise. Guys, one additional benefit that Becker provides is you can plan out your examination and your schedule on their portal. You can input the number of hours you have available to yourself per week for studying, and depending on your inputs, Becker will create a customized study plan for you all, which in turn our student mentors can either verify, make changes to it, or they can recommend a better study plan to you. If you stick with this study plan, you should ideally be able to meet your exam day goal. Let's say I want to give my exam on the 15th of December. That is exactly the date which I input in the Becker portal. Then I input the number of hours that I have until then. Let's say I have 4 hours on Monday, 3 hours on Tuesday, maybe no hours on Wednesday. I input those sorts of data points, and depending on that, I will automatically get a study plan and I need to stick to. And other key advice that I can give you for clearing your CPA paper in one go is practice mocks, guys. If you are attending classes on the weekends, if you are attending live classes, you want to go back and spend your week practicing questions. Read through the content. However, with the CPA exams, the most important thing is application of concepts, not retaining the concepts. As long as you understand the concept very clearly, you will be able to apply it in the exam regardless of how the question is framed to you and how the question is asked. Guys, these are just a few short tips that we have for you today. However, if you'd like a customized study plan made for you, if you'd like some more help that can probably help you ace your CPA exams, please get in touch with us. The number is provided in the description below. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. It would really help us out if you could consider liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. And hope you'll have a great day. Thanks for watching.